Okay, so Jared, this what's up. Check it out. All right, here we go. So this is the blender I was telling you about. And if you look down there, those are the blades. And this right here, it's got a metal toggle here, so and metal under there. So it won't wear out. It's not plastic. And you just look, you just set it right there, Jay. Okay, just set it right there. And remember when I was telling you you can put stuff in it while it's running. So this is the top. This is the top. I'm gonna let you see the motor on it. Okay, just press it down, and it's got a top. This is the top right here, right there. Check it out, and it goes on the top. Just put it on and you spin it. Okay, now you go over there on this button and you start it, and you see it started. Okay, remember when I told you can go slow? Okay, now here's the button. You can go slow. Okay, you can put it on 1 and then hit this button. See what I'm talking about? And you can actually put stuff in here. See, once you put stuff in there, once you get all your desired stuff that you want in there, you can turn it up. Let me show you. Look. It goes pretty high. I don't want to wake people up, but it's not that loud though. It goes pretty high, and it's got settings on here, man, for like smoothies. It's in the book. It's got different settings. You can cook soup with these settings right there. You can cook soup, and you can do a lot with this blender. This blender cost me like $520 something or $30 something, but it's just a good blender. Look, let me show you something. See right here, this blender I got up there. It's a piece of shit. It don't do it looks good. You can't put shit in it while it's running, and it's garbage. I think it's a Ninja. It's a piece of bullshit. And then I got a bullet. So and then you like putting your stuff in there. There's this stick. You can press it down. See that? And it won't hit the blade when it's reversed. It won't hit the blade, but it's all good. I recommend, man, if you're gonna get a blender, get a good blender, man, cause you don't want to be tasting lumps and shit in your stuff. So you can do that. You can go post. Okay. You can see how that's doing that? Okay, let's see. Snowflake. Okay, so like this. I think you do it like this. You go start. See this way it's doing that? Then you stop it. Doing all that shit by itself. It's doing all that shit by itself because I'm putting it on certain settings. Watch this. This is the soup one. See how it acts different? And stop it. And this one right here, I don't really know what all this shit is, man, because I ain't read the book. I just been doing my smoothie thing, and I've been using this side of it. This side of it. See how it's different? And how the water goes in different directions and shit. See it? Kick some serious ass. This is a real blender, dude. So this is It's a Vitamix, man. It's a Vitamix, and this is the way the front look. It's got 10 speeds, and those speeds are something else, man. Watch this. Okay, it's on 1. I'm gonna hit start. See how quiet that is? It's on 2. It's on 3. It's on 4. 5. 6. 7. I don't want to go no higher than that anyway, but this is what I got, Jay. And I think you'll like it too. So when I come to Chicago, man, we're gonna get our smoothie on and we're gonna do our thing too. This is what I put in my smoothies, man. I put in there cinnamon. I put in there bladderwrack right there. And I put in there ground ginger root. Put that in there too. And then I put tamarack in there. So what you can do is you can do a study on what that stuff does for your body. And when you eat, Jerry's, get rid of the white salt and get you some pink Himalayan salt. It's better than it ain't got glass in it. Most of that stuff have glass in it. Now this is Irish moss, that sea moss. This is what we be making, and it turns to gel. That's what I be drinking. And let me show you. It's in here. Okay. So I put chlorella in my stuff too. See that chlorella? And this is it. This is the gel. So I hook that up. I take liquid vitamin D because everything else have pork in it when they put it in that case. And then I put spirulina in my drink. When I make smoothies, I put all that shit in there. And you know what? You might want to get you a reverse osmosis system, or, you know, a little system where you don't have to drink faucet water, man. That shit bad for you. So with that, you're all good. And you know, you actually too, you can put black pepper inside your smoothie because all of that helps out a diabetic, you know. So all right, son, I'll holler at you in a minute. Shalom.